Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing guys? क्या हाल चाल है सबका? Bringing you another Clash Royale video guys. And as you know, the triple elixir challenge is going on. So I have got a deck for you. I know I'm a little late for this, but I am a little busy this season. I have not even played any ladder game till now. So you can see that I have completed the challenge with 0 losses, and as usual here are the results. You can count the games. It started from here, and those were the 8 wins for the challenge, and the last game was against Elixir Golem. And Elixir Golem is probably the most toxic deck that you will be facing in this challenge, but I was able to hold it. I was low in the start of the game, but somehow managed to strike back. So I'll be showing you the gameplay of this last game against Elixir Golem, and that will conclude the video. I have an announcement to make as well guys. I have collaborated with RPG Alliance. It's YouTube channel and an alliance which is collaborating with other small YouTubers and providing them a chance to show their work and to promote their content as well. I'll put the links in the description as well. You can definitely go and check them out. So coming back to the gameplay guys, from the start I knew that this matchup is going to be tough, and Mother Witch is going to play a really big role in this matchup. The one thing that you need to keep in mind always is to spread your units as far as possible, and you should try not to give enough value to the dragon, electro dragon as well, and to lightning as well. And I said Mother Witch is going to play a big role in this matchup. Also what you should be doing is to stack as much defensive units as possible, the support units like Mother Witch and Flying Machine, and to just restrict the movement of opponents troops and dragons with the cannon cart and your Mega Knight. So here in the start I was struggling a bit to hold on to the opponent pushes, but the deck that I am playing in this challenge is my main ladder deck, and with this deck I did 7000 trophies in the last season, so I pretty well know how to play this deck, and I have definitely beaten some of the Elixir Golem decks during the ladder games, so I was very much positive towards this game, and I was somewhat sure that I can strike back. I just need some time. So here you can see I have started to push my opponent back, and his pushes are not as strong as they were in the start. And one more thing guys, the furnace is very important to defend against the Elixir Golem. You should definitely try to play the furnace on the side on which your opponent is making a push, because that will really help you. It will take care of the bats that the Night Witch will spawn, and also will deal a lot of damage to the Elixir Golem and other units and the blob as well. So here we are into the last 30 seconds, and as you can see I have not dealt a lot of damage to my opponent, but here at this point of time you can see on the left side I have quite some units going at my opponent's tower. So I got my chance. I made a push on the opposite side because this was my last chance and we were into the last few seconds of the game. So here you can see I just barely managed to take out my opponent's tower in the last 10 seconds of the game, and definitely keep the game going. And at this point of time I was almost sure that I will be able to win this game. Another deck that can pose some threat to my deck is Lumberloon Cycle, and I would suggest against those decks just play defensively, defend the balloon with Flying Machine and Mother Witch, and develop a counter push. Put your Mega Knight at the bridge and your cannon card for the support, along with the support of Mother Witch and Flying Machine, and you should be fine. You will be able to take out your opponent's tower as well in case the balloon also damaged your tower or took it over. So in the game guys, you saw the Mother Witch played a huge role. There were a lot of piggies and obviously the flying machine and all other cards work perfectly in synergy to make me win that game. So this deck is super strong guys for this challenge. There are other spawner decks along with the goblin hut, but I prefer this deck. Here you can see that I haven't played any ladder deck in this season, as I was saying in the start. So that is all for the video guys. I hope this deck will help you to get through the challenge in case you haven't played it already. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you. Take care. Bye bye.